Hey folks, in this video we are going to animate the Microsoft logo. So here we need a main div container with the class Microsoft, and inside that we need 4 boxes for 4 colors. That is going to be red, green, yellow and blue. So we are going to style the body in such a way that whatever we add on the page is going to be perfectly centered vertically as well as horizontally. So next is to style the Microsoft class, and this is going to act as the main body for the logo. So let's give it a height and width of 310 pixels so that nothing goes beyond that. Initially I'm going to give it a background of green, but I'm going to remove this later. Next is to style the different boxes, and for that we will start with a common styling. So for that we have this other.box class. Now let's change their color and position using the dedicated classes that are red, green, yellow and blue. So with the blue box, we have all the boxes that we need for the logo. So it's time to remove the background color, and let's move on towards the animation part. The animations has to be custom defined, and we can do that by using add keyframes. We are dividing the animation into 5 parts, that is 0%, 12.5%, 25%, 37.5%, 50% and 100%. At each point we will move the box towards the next box, that is, if we are going to move the red box, we will move it at 12.5% towards the green box, and then towards the yellow box at 25%, and towards the blue box at 37.5%, and then back again at its own position at 50%. And for the rest of the 50% it will stay there. Each animation takes 0.5 seconds to move towards the next box. That is because the total length of the animation is 4 seconds and we are moving the box by 12.7%, and 12.7% of 4 seconds is equals to 0.5 seconds. That is just some maths that you have to do. And with that, our animation is completed. So make sure that you like, share and subscribe to the channel.